the Lord, everyone. Today is March 19, 2025. As I share my video journal for today. For today, we are talking about pride. So, pride. Here are 10 dangers of pride. Remember that pride is one of the oldest sin in the Bible. Number 1, pride is the tool of Satan. Number 2, pride can lead you to backsliding. Pride can also destroy you. Pride can cause division. Pride can lead you in wrong direction. And pride can also lead you to wrong decisions. That's why most of the youth today are holding on to their pride. That's why nowadays they are making bad decisions and going on the wrong directions, not giving a chance of wisdom or prayer to God where they would lead them. Number 7, pride can destroy your family. Pride can kill your ministry. Pride is the hindrance of blessing. So pride is a blessing blocker. And lastly, pride can kill your relationship with God. So we are going to take a look at these Bible verses about pride. Well, let me tell you that in Proverbs chapter 11 verse 2, for the Bible said, when pride comes, then comes shame, but with the humble is wisdom. Amen. So, also in Proverbs chapter 16 verse 18, for the Bible said, pride goes before destruction and a haughty spirit before a fall. Amen. Also in Proverbs chapter 13 verse 10, for the Bible said, by pride comes nothing but strife, but with the well-advised is wisdom. Amen. So this verse highlights how pride can cause conflict and divisions. So if you're going to notice, we already read 3 verses from the Bible that comes from Proverbs about pride. And then, if also in Proverbs chapter 28 verse 25, for the Bible said, he who is of a proud heart stirs up strife, but he who trusts in the Lord will be prospered. Amen. So, it reinforces that pride is the root and cause of all conflicts. And also in James chapter 4 verse 6, for the Bible said, but he gives more grace, therefore he says, God resists the proud, but gives grace to the humble. Amen. So, it emphasizes that God is against those who are proud and favors the humble. So, last verse for today that comes from 1 John chapter 2 verse 16 to 17, for the Bible said, for all that is in the world, the lust of the flesh, the lust of the eyes, and the pride of life is not of the Father, but is of the world. And verse 17, and the world is passing away, and the lust of it, but he who does the will of God abides forever. Amen. So it warns us against the pride of life, which is not from God, but from the world. So, remember, there is nothing wrong of being humble. Why we have to enforce pride? For God already teaches us to be humble always. And being humble, the Lord will lift you up. The Lord will guide you, and of course, in the right path or right direction. So I hope I have inspired you with this video journal of mine. Remember, we are on a mission. Keep the fire burning, for we live to serve God. Stay safe, and God bless everyone. Good morning.